Hello friends, in this sequential output tracing tutorial, we are given an input comprising of randomized letters or numbers or a combination of both, which is followed by steps of rearrangement to give sequential outputs, and we are required to trace out the pattern in the given rearrangement and then determine the desired output step as per the questions asked. There are two types of sequential output tracing puzzles, and in this video we will study its first type. Now let's take an example. Here input step is given as 39, 121, 48, 18, 76, 112, 14, 45, 63 and 96, and is further followed by 6 steps of rearrangement. To solve the questions based on this rearrangement, first we need to determine the step-by-step change and analyze the final output. With this, we will be able to trace out the pattern of rearrangement. From the last step, we could analyze the final output, and as we can see here that the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Therefore, the output is simply the arrangement of numbers in ascending order. Now let's observe the step-by-step change. First, we would compare input and step 1. Here as we can see that the smallest number, that is 14, is being placed at the first position of step 1 and the order of other numbers is kept same. Now we would compare step 1 and step 2. Here the largest number, that is 121, is being placed at the last position of step 2. So in this step, the largest number is being placed at the end and the remaining numbers are kept in the same order. Now let's take step 2 and step 3. Here the second smallest number, that is 18, is being placed just after 14. Now let's take one more step to know the exact pattern of rearrangement. So now we would compare step 3 and step 4. Here the second largest number, that is 112, is being placed just before 121 in step 4. Finally, we got the idea of pattern of rearrangement, and which is there are changes in alternate steps in odd number of steps, that is step 1, step 3, step 5. The numbers are being arranged from left hand side in ascending order, while in even number of steps, that is step 2, step 4, step 6, the numbers are being arranged from the right hand side in descending order. And finally, we are arranging all the numbers in ascending order, which is our output. Now let's do questions based on this example. Let's do the first kind of question based on the same pattern of rearrangement, in which we are required to find the step 3 and the input is given as 68, 182, 39, 93, 129 and 46. For first step, we would bring the smallest number, that is 39, at the first position. So for first step, we would remove 39 from this place and place it at the starting position. This makes us step first. Now for the second step, we would bring the largest number, that is 182, at the end and remove 182 from this position for step 2. And now the required step, that is third step. For third step, we would bring the second smallest number and place it just after 39. As in third step, 46 is being placed here, so we would remove 46 from here. We would read our third step as 39, 46, 68, 93, 129 and 182. Therefore, step 3 is 39, 46, 68, 93, 129 and 182. And as we can see that in this step, all numbers are being arranged in ascending order. Therefore, step 3 is the last step. Now let's move to second kind of sequential output tracing question, again based on the same pattern of rearrangement as that of the initial example. In this question, step 5th is given as 17, 32, 43, 82 and 69, and we are asked that what will be the third step. Dear friends, please make a note here that for a given step, we can't exactly determine the previous steps. However, we can determine the probable previous steps by checking the given options. But here in the question, we are asked that what will be the third step, and as will be is used for definite case, therefore the answer for this question is cannot be determined. We would also discuss the question based on probable case in which we need to determine the previous step from the given step. Now we will take third kind of question based on the same pattern of rearrangement as that of the example which I explained you in the starting of this video. In this question, we are required to find the last step whose input is given as 138, 63, 49, 93, 89, 7 and 122. From the initial example, we know that the last step or final output consists of numbers arranged in ascending order. Therefore, here also to find the last step, we would simply arrange all the numbers in ascending order. So the last step is 7, 49, 63, 89, 93, 122 and 138. Now let's take fourth kind of question which is also based on the same pattern of rearrangement as that of the initial example. And in this question we are asked that how many steps will be required for the final output, and the input is given as 85, 101, 66, 142, 15 and 40. For the first step, we need to take the smallest number, that is 15, remove it from this position and place it at the starting position of the series. This is our first step. Now for the second step, we would take the largest number, that is 142 here, remove it from this place and place it at the last position of the series. This will give us second step. Now for the third step, we would take the second smallest number and place it just after 15. The second smallest number in this series is 40. So we would remove 40 from this position and place it just after 15. And this is our third step. Now for the next step, that is step 4, we would take the second largest number and place it just before 142. And in this series, the second largest number is 101. So we would remove 101 from this place and place it just before 142. Now for the fifth step, we would take the third smallest number, that is 66, remove it from this position and place it just after 40. This is our step 5. Now the only number remaining is 85 and we don't need to rearrange it, since in the final output all the numbers are arranged in ascending order and 85 at this place completes our final output. Therefore we can write 85 as it is without changing its position. Therefore the final output is step 5, which is 15, 40, 66, 85, 101 and 142. Hence the required answer is 5 steps. So in this way, we are going to solve questions based on the first step of sequential output tracing puzzle. In the upcoming video tutorial, I am going to explain the second type of sequential output tracing puzzle. Till then, keep practicing on Smart Keeda's exercise page and have a great learning experience.